It almost got me this time. I'm chased every night in my dreams, and then I wake up right before it gets me. But then there were those things that were not part of the dream. And I honestly thought they were part of the dream too. But in later years, I would come to learn the truth. Them head there, they did it. And you know what? I clutched my invisible pearls and bust one big prayer. Yeah, I prayed to go right back to sleep. Them heads weren't it. Yeah, it's like you imagined. I spent my childhood in abject fear, and this borderline happened every night, so you can further imagine how I feared going to sleep and feared even waking up. Honestly, me did I live on fret. But strangely enough, being chased by a rolling calf was pretty common back in the day. And don't give me that look as if being chased by a rolling calf is straight cap. Let me tell you, if you lived in the countryside in Jamaica, then this was the norm. At least that's what I tell myself. And yes, I'm Jamaican, and this also took place in the early years of my life. Anyway, being a kid, I had to turn to my only savior for help. There she is, my savior mother. Hey, Ma. It's happening again. It's only a dream, honey. Nothing is trying to get you. But, Ma, those heads! What about those heads? They're there even after I wake up. That's also part of the dream, honey. Even though I call her my savior, she can't do because she can't see. It's really annoying having to listen to this drivel every time. They're there, woman! Honey, nothing is there. Eep. She might actually be scarier. In case you don't realize, I have a black Jamaican mother. No back talking is allowed. I'll come check it out for you tonight. Okay? Yes, mother. What would you have done? Exactly. Nothing. I could do nothing. My mother clearly isn't the cuddle type. As I said, she is Jamaican. She was not about to be spun in my web of delusional fantasies. I'm lucky she even entertained my nonsense as brief as she did. So how could I tell her how I really felt? First of all, the most obvious, she can't see anything, even when I showed it to her. And the most important reason is, she's Jamaican. I would just cease to exist. So even though she checked that night, I had no choice but to enter this never-ending cycle for yet another night. But nothing could prepare me for what was about to happen on this night. When this took place, I know I was too young to watch horror films to know why you rarely ever see people like me starring in them. But still, this kind of thing should be innate. So I'm surprised my black sense didn't kick in. Where are you going? Mother! Of course I lost mine. I folded like the little girl that I am and screamed, Mother! Like hell I am. Who would get onto your back? The door is wide open and you're clearly trying to whisk me away. Only God knows where to. And I'm 100% sure I don't want to find out. Mother! Honey! Oh my God! What happened? Why is the door open? Mother! There! It's there, Mother! It's trying to get me! What? What's there? What's trying to get you? There's nothing there, honey! Mother, it's there. It's there. Please believe me. It's there. It's trying to take me away. Why does it want me, Mother? Okay. I believe you. And I'll never let anything get you. Mother finally believed. After all this time, she now believed I was seeing something she couldn't see, and this time it tried to take me away, but she would never let that happen. Interestingly, that was the first and last time I ever saw that thing. Of course, at the time though, I had no idea that it would be the last time. So as you can imagine, this house continued being a nightmare. Oh yeah, one more thing. After telling this story multiple times growing up and describing that thing, I didn't find out until I was a young adult what it really was.